Hey guys, we have here the Sony Bluetooth Speaker SRS-XB13, and in this video we want to explain to you how to perform a factory reset. You may want to do this, for example, when somebody is kind of hijacking your speaker and using it instead of yourself and you don't really want them to do that, or in case the speaker somehow malfunctions, and a factory reset may be helpful in order to get rid of those issues. Okay, so right now the speaker is enabled and we have here this smartphone here paired to it, and in order to perform the factory reset we're going to press and hold the Bluetooth button and the minus button, and both at the same time, and we're going to hold those two buttons until the speaker turns itself off. So this was already it, so this was the factory reset, and the next time we are going to turn on the speaker it has forgotten about all the devices that it has been connected to, and all the settings are set to the factory settings. Okay, so now let us turn on the speaker, and it automatically goes into the Bluetooth pairing mode in this case. And when we take a look at our smartphone, we see the speaker does not automatically reconnect to our phone as we turn on the speaker, so the factory reset was really successful. And now this time we can pair our speaker again to our smartphone in order to keep using it. So we're going to select OK here, and now the pairing process is already successful and we can start using it again. Okay, so this was already it for this video. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.